morning. It's the end of an absolutely fabulous trip to Svalbard and to doing the Arctic tour with Yashpal Rathore. Yashpal I've known for a number of years now, but this is the first time I'm traveling with him, and I must say it's been absolutely mind-blowing. What I expected, in fact, was surpassed by what we actually saw. Lots of polar bears from very close quarters, different kinds of polar bears. Dirty polar bears, white polar bears, polar bear mother with cubs, and seals, and totally the landscape was absolutely mind-blowing. And these are some of the things that I thought I would be able to see, and I was hoping and praying that I would see. And at the end of it all, it actually happened. And as I said, it surpassed my expectations. So, the way he had not only done the entire tour, the schedule, but also the people he had chosen for this. They came from different parts of India, of course quite a few from Bangalore itself, and from different fields. And the way we all gelled together was again because of, I think, the way Yashpal had was meticulously planned and executed. So on the whole, I would recommend this trip to anyone. If Yashpal is doing it, please go with him. But if he's not doing it, and planning a trip to the Arctic, please do come over here. It's unbelievable.
We came here nearly 12 days ago and had a wonderful and memorable trip. And this trip was long overdue and one of the top destinations in my bucket list, which I could fulfill this year. The place is magical, so beautiful. Every square inch in every direction is a pretty landscape. We could see a number of polar bears in multiple situations, phenomenally beautiful glaciers, ice caps, and the polar plunge I took is once in a lifetime experience. All in all, this has been a memorable trip.
The Svalbard trip is an amazing lifetime experience for me and my wife, and it was possible because of captain and his staff members. Especially I am thankful to Pipa, who has done excellent guiding, and she made our stay here on the ship very comfortable, and I am extremely thankful to all the crew members who have taken care of us, and it's an excellent trip.
So we are on the last day of our Arctic expedition, and this was a cruise through the frozen landscape of the Svalbard and the adjoining area. So this was really a lifetime memory for me. So when I agreed to join this expedition with Mr. Yashpal, I was not very sure because in the recent past I've been having a very hectic schedule, but I was lucky to join on this trip. So altogether, an amazing experience for me, and it was also about reinventing myself also, because I've been having quite a bit of hectic and stressful schedule being in the ministry. So this was quite rejuvenating for me, and surely would like to come back on this trip, because I'm going back with lots of memories and good images. Expedition leader and the guide, they were too good actually. So they have a vast experience working in this area, and we benefited from them. So enriched our knowledge, not only in terms of photography, but also in terms about the so productive marine ecosystem of this area. And the best was having the polar plunge in the icy water beyond 80 degrees north. So that was also quite an experience for me. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity of joining this excursion with all the team members. They were too good, and we had a lot of fun and care. All. Thank you.